Welcome back to the Finding Silence YouTube channel. This is the Herb of the Week series, and today's muse is none other than milk thistle. Perhaps you have never heard of it, but today we will introduce you to this versatile herb. Milk thistle is a powerful plant. It has a long history of helping people. For centuries, people have used it for liver health. Ancient healers used it for various ailments. Today, we know it specifically supports the liver. It's like a bodyguard for your liver. Liver's guardian, the protective power of milk thistle. The liver is amazing. It filters toxins from our blood, it helps digest food, and it does so much more. Milk thistle protects the liver from damage. It acts like a shield against toxins. This helps the liver work better. Milk thistle also helps the liver repair itself. It's like giving your liver a little TLC. Silymarin, the liver-saving superhero. Silymarin is the key ingredient in milk thistle. It's a powerful antioxidant. Antioxidants protect our cells from damage. Silymarin helps reduce inflammation in the liver. It also helps to repair damaged liver cells. Think of it as a repair crew for your liver. This makes Silymarin a true liver-saving superhero. Milk thistle in action, real-life liver transformation. Many people have seen amazing results with milk thistle. One man, let's call him John, had liver problems for years. After taking milk thistle, John's liver tests improved. He felt healthier and had more energy. Milk thistle gave him his life back. This is just one example of how milk thistle can help. It's a natural way to support your liver and overall health. Now that we've seen how milk thistle can transform lives, let's talk about how you can incorporate this powerful herb into your daily routine. There are several ways to use milk thistle, making it easy to find a method that works best for you. You can take milk thistle as a supplement in capsule or tablet form, which is convenient and easy to manage. If you prefer a soothing drink, milk thistle tea is another popular option, offering a gentle way to support your liver while enjoying a warm beverage. For those who like liquid supplements, milk thistle tinctures are available. These are concentrated liquid extracts that can be added to water or taken directly. They are quick to absorb and easy to use. Finally, if you enjoy blending your own health drinks, milk thistle powder can be a versatile addition to your smoothies or other foods. Its versatility ensures that everyone can benefit from its liver-supporting properties. Thank you for watching our Herb of the Week series. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content from Finding Silence.